people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you how to make chickpea split laddus. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. We'll make these laddus with only 5 ingredients. We call it in Hindi chane ke dal ke laddu. These will taste yum when you will make it. This is very simple recipe but taste amazing. So let's begin. These are the 5 ingredients which we need for making these laddus. So this is chickpeas split, salt, ginger, ENO, which is also known as fruit salt, green chili and radish leaves. This is totally optional, so that's why I have counted 5 ingredients. Okay, so let's begin. You need to soak them overnight and we'll drain all the excess water. We'll drain all the excess water. You need to soak it for 8 hours or more. We have to grind this chickpea split. And we'll add ginger slices. You can slit them. We'll add green chili as well. This is totally optional. If you don't want to add spice to the laddu, then don't add it. This is optional as well, but this gives a crisp taste. So if you'll add this, it will taste really good. Taste. Just lock the grinder. All the ingredients. The paste will look like this. You can add a bit of water if you find difficulty in getting this kind of paste. Switch on the gas and add oil. Let the oil get warm. Now we'll add ENO, fruit salt, just a half spoon, and then we'll add a bit of water to it, and then we'll mix this. This mixture should not be so thick. If you feel it's thick, then add a bit of more ENO. And then just add a bit of water to it. This is the perfect consistency in my case. Now we'll add salt to taste. and then mix it well. This kind of consistency you require. We'll check if oil is ready to fry or not. Yeah, it's completely hot. Now how you have to make it? Just take in hand and then leave inside this. The best part is you can take them out half fried and can freeze it. Now these are of light brown color. Let them get darker. Now it's done. Now we'll garnish this with. These are soft from inside and taste really good. You can just taste it or have it with radish.